Yeah.
Welcome back, everyone. So, obviously, fresh cut, fresh piercings, fresh tat. We're living life. We've got the Mustang parked for a minute. Sorry about my dirty window. Can see that though. So, I got a great video. This is vlog 1, so I'm doing a vlog. Guess what? Crazy, right? I decided I wanted to post more videos, so that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna post videos for you guys a lot more consistently now. I know some of them are gonna be better than others. Some of them I'm gonna have really good vlogs. Some of them are gonna be kind of crappy. You know, it kind of depends on how the day goes. But without further ado, my goal is 20 minutes a video, at least, give or take. Anyways, though, make sure you guys go check out Rev Auto Cleaning Supplies right there. Head over to Rev Auto or hit my link down in the bio for them. Got some great car cleaning supplies there. For now, I'm gonna go clean up because I just got the cut, didn't get the wash with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and go do that. Go take a shower, get all cleaned up for you guys. We're gonna go clean Grace up. We're on a dirt road, so I don't know why, but we're gonna go clean her up. Once we get Grace cleaned up, I'll show you guys the tips afterwards. I gotta find some stuff to actually clean the tips out. So a warning for you guys, if you buy the MBRP axle back for your car to do a muffler delete, there's grease in there. They put grease, so don't get the grease or get something to clean them out. And if you are, I highly recommend probably spraying the grease out if you can prior to install, or you guys are going to end up burning it to the pipes and it looks kind of crappy, especially if it's on the tips. They are 4-inch tips, so I do like it a lot better than the Corsa. The car was louder than my Corsa, actually, with just their X-pipe. Resonator delete. Muffler delete doubled that sound, like legitimately. Found one video on the internet, I don't remember who it was that made it. I might give you a shout out down in my description. So yeah, he also did Texas speed headers. I have not ordered them. I do want to get headers though, but for the time being, I'm going to finish what I have. I really miss my manual car. I really do. I am thinking of maybe getting another one. Doing the very much so the same setup. I don't know. What do you guys think I should do in the comments? Do you guys like the manual content more, or do you guys like it when I've got the auto? Obviously, with an auto, I can film a little bit better until I get some mounts in the car for my phone and maybe some better camera stuff. For right now, though, obviously, auto's a little better, but I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below, auto or manual. What team are you guys on? What do you think I should stick with my auto? It's faster, or should I go to manual? In the event of those options, should I go ahead and stick with the auto for a couple years, get a Shelby GT350 in manual, throw the same setup for the exhaust on that? What do you guys think of doing that way? Again, comment down below. But without further ado, I'm going to go to get my shower done, and then I'll be back with you guys in just a bit. Peace. Yep, she's warm, all right, nice and hot, but as you can see, nationwide sticker on top, shining bright as ever. Oops, I just took my flag right off. Alrighty, guys, let's go get the Grace washed. Yeah, there's a good view. Here, let me flip the camera around for you guys. Alrighty, guys, let's go get the car washed, get Grace washed all up. Let's head out. Oh, you know what? I gotta grab me a Coke. I'm thirsty. Got the hair all cleaned up. Got all washed up and things. Got all that hair washed off. Hair's looking clean. Oh yeah, make sure you guys go check the merch out. There was a new merch drop early this morning. No, take that back. Yesterday morning. New merch drop. Go check it out. DailyExoticsColorado.com. Links in bio down below. Make sure you guys check it out. Merch is looking awesome. It's been getting a lot better. Got some more designs to come still. Yeah, though, looks really good. This is one of the merch. Here, let me go show you guys the back. I'm going to modify it a little bit, but so you guys can see it. You got the front. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it's got you got a dark blue D, purple X, and then C in red in Colorado. I'm going to do an upgraded design of this without the blue square. It looked good in photos. It didn't turn out as well as I liked it on here. So I'm going to remodify it. But yeah, if you guys are looking for some merch to support the channel, that definitely helps out. Or if you want to support my channel, that's the way to do it. So there are other ways, like you can become a member of the channel and pay basically monthly. But if you guys want to rep some merch, here's the way to do it. Let's go get the car washed. Actually, hold up. Let me get this for you guys. Let's get a remote start. Oh, she is dirty. Let me show you. Is dirty. That's the perks of living on this stuff. Also, as you can see, these are no longer up. There will be some more coming up just like these. Lovely Brembos over here. Yeah, I know I got chips on them. I'm sorry. I'll get those fixed up, get some a little bit nicer wheels at some point. I do have brakes that are coming for this. Out of curiosity, do you guys think I should debadger or get the badges wrapped and get them kind of a custom badge on there? Obviously, we got our white tail lights. These are 15 through 17, courtesy of my mistake. But yeah, look at these beasts right here. 4-inch tips. I know it's a little crooked. I've been having problems with that. I do have to get it straightened out. See all that dirt though? Look at that crazy stuff. As you guys can see though, you can see all that nasty burnt stuff in there. Yeah, that's not cool. That burnt stuff is actually the grease they put in, and I didn't wash it out. So for those of you who are looking at that, that'd be smart. Got a question though. Again, comment down below if you guys think should debadge it, or should I just get a carbon trunk, keep this wing, or should I get a GT500 in carbon wing? Not the track pack, but like the wicker bill and spoiler. Should I do that and then get the carbon and debadge it there, and then come around here, maybe black those out, black the badges out here, do maybe a custom color dot on them? What do you guys think of that? I think that'd be pretty cool. Hit me up, what do you guys think? I'm gonna set this up here for you guys. We're gonna get you guys cold start. Try not to have that played on there too much, but let's get this cold start here for you guys. Well, whatever. I'll blur it out for you guys. I don't know why I said a cold start. It's warm, very warm. But as you guys can see, now I gotta yell for you guys because you can hardly hear me. Those tips over here are very crooked. They're very straight. So the clamps on that side are actually kind of messed up. So I do have to get those clamps fixed because the clamps on there were not all that great. I took one of these off, stickers for Snapchat. I'm going to add my website on there, but also make sure you guys, obviously you guys are on YouTube, so if you aren't subscribed, hit subscribe. And if you guys are go hit up the Instagram as well. So follow me on there. A lot of content. For those of you wondering where my kill switch is, there's my little kill switch, all of this. That kill switch actually has to do with my engine bay lighting. Anyways, got it all started up. Got this startup really nice sequence over here popping up. Yeah, I know. Who needs valves anyways? Yeah, let's go. Whoa, focus, phone. We'll go track mode. Yeah. Gonna be getting a 2-inch LT intake in soon. 10-speed auto's cool, kind of annoying. Got my metal paddles in red. Yes, they do get hot for those of you asking. let's get this airflow. Got my radar from Escort. It's a 360R Redline, or 360C Redline. My apologies. Don't recommend. Got that off. My apologies, guys. Do not recommend that. Just get the 360C, the one that does Wi-Fi. There is a 360, a 360C, and a 360C Redline. Just go for the 360C. I had one. I gave it to my mom. I might actually swap them out. I don't particularly like this one. It's a little bit... The range on it is really good, but it's really too long, so it can get really confusing. Got the dash cam up. Peace for now, and I'll see you guys here in a bit once we get to the car wash.
the things I do for you. Be grateful. Be grateful.